Hello everyone, time check. Ay! Diyos ko, nahulugan ko kayo. 3 PM guys, and yan, katatapos lang namin kumain, and yes, ang aking baby gusto na magpakadel, sabi ko wait, ayan po, naglilibit tayo for today's video. Ayan, and pinagprituhan natin ng Gigi ulam mamayang gabi, pinag-fried rice, and then guys, look, ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo yung lakas, so parang may bagyo, hindi pa ako nakaka-check ng weather, ang sarap ng hangin sa labas, pero yeah, ayan o, huwag lang po kami babahain itong lugar na to guys, lagi na lang itong lugar na to binabaha. Ayan, hello baby, wait mami ha, maglilikpit lang mami. Ay, may pork chop pa akong gagawin, salt and pepper lang naman. Oh, wait lang baby, okay, mag-work lang mami ha. Baby, wait lang mami, mag-work lang ang mami ha. Oh, para rin sa ito, para maibili kita ng chicken, o pag kumita na ulit ang mami sa YouTube, may pambili ng chicken ang mami kay Akitor. Ano baby? Oh, wait mami ha, maglilipit mo na mami. Hindi ko muna ito makakalat na baby. So, hello everyone, tapos na tayo magligpit. Yes, papahinga na tayo, pero ito ilalagyan ko muna ng, tinanong ko yung anak ko kung anong gusto niya gawin dyan sa pork chop, na mini pork chop na yan, napakanipis naman yung gayat. Sabi niya, salt and pepper lang mami. So, ayan, nilalapitan ko yung voice ko sa speaker kasi lakas ng ulan dito sa kusina. And yes, ayun yung baby tour ko. Nakikita niyo, nasa likod na electric pan. Look at that. So cute. Naglalaro siya ng kanyang Coco. Ayan guys, so ilagay na natin yung salt and pepper. Then pahinga na tayo. Then later, check time 3:50 PM. Maya-maya alas 5 magpiprito na ulit tayo. So ayan, kuha muna tayo ng salt and pepper. Ayan guys, kita nyo ba? Tina-transfer ko lang siya dito kasi lalagay ko sa ref. Kasi mamaya pang pipirituin niya mga 5 o'clock. Ayan, salt and pepper lang guys ang ilalagay natin. And then, ito, salt. Ayan. Kita nyo ba guys? Kita nyo. Ayan, salt. Ayan. Lagyan lang natin ng salt. Simple, ano lang daw to. Sabi ng anak ko. Simple fry. Very simple. Clean hands. Kanina pa naman ako nag-uugas ng kamay, guys. Kaya don't bash me. Clean hands. And, yeah. Para. Lasa-lasa. Another one. Salt, another salt, and pepper, another pepper. Dip natin para lahat ay even. Ayan. Napakulat siya ng takip. And we're done. So, ayan guys, may takip na, lalagay na natin sa fridge para mamaya 5 o'clock, pa-fry na lang natin. Baby, what is that? No, dirty. Shh. No, what is that? Tor, no. What is that, baby? No good. Tor. Shh. What is that? No, dirty, Anna. No. No, baby. Tapos na, mami. Tapos na, mami. Okay, okay. Tapos na. Kumain na ulit 5 o'clock. Finish na, mami. Finish. Finish na. Finish. Finish na, mami. Good. Tapos na, mami. Tapos na. Here na. Tapos na. Oh my God! Oh my God, Tor, what is that? Come here. Come, kay mommy, come. Come, kay mommy, come. I will hold you. No, 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 it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. What is that? It's okay. Natakot si Tor. Natakot si Tor, babe. Nakatakot ba yung baby? Ha? Tingnan natin kung anong nangyari. What is that? No, baby. Baby, no. Just stay there. No, baby. Yeah. Stay there, baby. Stay there. What's that? Huh? What's that? Ulala, baby. What's that? No, baby, no! No! No, baby. Gigil mo ko. No! No good. No, baby. This is not toys. Palo. Gusto mo palo? No, baby. Hi. No, this is not toys. Toy? No. Papalo? No. Here's your toys. There's Coco. Here's Coco. Yes. Hi, I'm Coco. Oh, come on. Here's your Coco. Very good. Good boy. Ano ka lang gusto eh, si Coco. Very good, Coco. Oh, stay there, ha? Stay there. So, hi guys! So, mag-e-end na tayo ng vlog for today's video. And yeah, ito yung ating paligid. Look at the place. Look at the weather right now, guys. Not the place. Look at the weather. Yeah. It's raining. And i-close ko na po muna to ating vlog for today. And yeah, at ang aking baby toy, look. Kita niyo naman yun, guys. Oh. Happy sa kanyang Coco. Look at that. Yan yung Coco niya. I bought that from IKEA. Ayan. That one. So cute, Coco. Ayan. Nag-ilaw na tayo, guys. At napakadilim po naman. And then, ayan, mag-toothbrush muna tayo, guys. Ay. Buti na lang guys, oh, inilipat ko yung mga pantalon sa loob kasi nga, parang uulan. Ayan nga, look at that guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so ilagay ko muna kayo dyan. And mag-brush muna tayo for today's video.